Are you getting the iCloud verification failed? There was a problem connecting to the server error on your iPhone. Don't worry, you're not alone. This error typically happens due to network issues or server glitches, but no need to stress. This guide is here to walk you through some easy solutions to get your iPhone reconnected to iCloud in no time. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Open any browser and visit fast.com to test your internet speed. If the speed is low, turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds, and then turn it off. Next, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. This can sometimes help improve the connection. After that, restart your iPhone and check if the issue is fixed. Solution 2. Sign out and back into iCloud. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Then scroll down and tap Sign Out. After signing out, wait a few moments. Then sign back in using your Apple ID and see if that helped resolve the issue. Solution 3. Update iOS. Open Settings. Tap on General. Then select Software Update. If there's an update available, tap Download and Install. iOS updates often include bug fixes that can help with connection problems. Solution 4. Check Apple's system status. Open a browser and search for Apple System Status. Go to Apple's official system status page to check if there are any ongoing issues with iCloud services. If Apple is experiencing a problem, you may just have to wait until it's resolved. Solution 5. Reset network settings. Open Settings and go to General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then choose Reset Network Settings. Then enter your passcode and tap Reset Network Settings again to confirm. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the iCloud verification failed. There was a problem connecting to the server error on your iPhone. If you have any questions or still need a bit more help, don't hesitate to reach out. And if this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button. Thanks for watching.